TradingView is an easy-to-use platform that helps you track stocks, charts, and trends in real time. You can follow expert traders, share ideas, and analyze the market all in one place. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your trading, it's a great tool to help you make smarter decisions. Plus, it's free to get started. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use TradingView complete guide for beginners. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into tradingview.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So first let's know what is TradingView. TradingView is a user-friendly platform where you can track stocks, view live charts, and analyze market trends. It's perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike, offering tools to make smarter trading decisions. Plus, it's free to start using. Right? So let's just click over here, get started in the top right, and you'll find the page, which is this one. To get in started, you have just to click over sign up if you want to, of course, the free one and forever, or you can just choose here if you want one of this package. Firstly, you select if you want the professional one or the non-professional one. About the professional one, we have here two package, which is expert and ultimate. About the first one, you have to pay $200 per month, and we have here $2,400 per year. About the ultimate, you have to pay $500 per month and $6,000 per year. And here we have the features. You can just read it, and then you get started by choosing the package that you want. So right now let's move into the non-professional one. We have here two packages. You have the essential one, the plus one, and the premium one. About the essential one, we have to here to pay $13 per month and $156 per year. So also we have here, if you want to try for free for 13 days after you're paying and after you add in your information of your card number, and then you get started, and it's for free for 30 days. About the features, we have here 2 charts per tab, 5 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars, 20 price alerts, 20 technical alerts, 10 parallel chart connections, no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar reply, indicators on indicators, and that's it for this one. Right now we have here the second one, which is the plus one, and you have to pay $25 per month. And about the price of the year, which is $300 per year. So we have here also trial free for 13 days, and you have here the features, which is 4 charts per tab, 10 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars, 100 price alerts, of course, 100 technical alerts, 20 parallel chart connections, and other features as you can see. So then we have the last one, which is the premium. We have to pay $50 per month and $600 per year. And you have here the features, which is 8 charts per tab, 25 indicators per chart, 20,000 historical bars, and we have also here 400 price alerts, 400 technical alerts, and we have 50 parallel chart connections. We have also here no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar reply, indicators or indicators, and other features. You can just here read it after you read it. You have just to choose the one you want. If it's the professional one or not professional one, you can choose here the free one. So let's just click in over sign up right now, and you have to choose the option that you want. If it's Google, Facebook, Twitter, or Yahoo. Also we have here Apple, LinkedIn as well. Or you can choose here the option of email by adding your email address and your password. Then you confirm that you are not a robot, and then you click over create an account. So that's it for this one right now, and I'm just here go to the sign in to find my account because I already signing up with this platform, and I will just choose the first option, which is Google, because it's very easy. I will just choose my email, and that's it. I will get started with this platform, which is Trading. So here we have my account in the top right, as you can see. I have your profile settings and various things. Right now I will just go to the home page and the dashboard. I will just click over here in the top left, and you will find here those options. I will just select community, and I will select trading ideas. Right? Or you can just also here select products, then I will search for screeners like that. So it's not that. Right now I will just select if it's super charts. So here we have it right now, and here we have the dashboard, as you can see, and how you can get started with this one. Here we have various options and the various things that could help you to get started with this platform. Firstly, in the top left you will find here cross. If you want to here select dot, arrow, air, or if on a razor, and also magic. About here, I will select this one. Then I will just here expect it's gonna be here improving, or it's going to be diminish. So we have just, it's going to be diminution or improving. So you have just to choose the one you want, and then we have here buy and sell. You choose if you want to buy or sell. And also we have here other options that could help you. For example, we have trend line, fib retracement, as you can see. So about this one you'll find here far things. Then we have also here this one, which is patterns, and also we have here projection, and also we have here brochures. If you want to add a note, also if you want to add text or notes, such as if we have an chart text. Then we have also here if you want icons, if you want to add things such as you will find those things such as zoom in. If you want to hear magnet mode, snap, stay in drawing mode. We have look all drawings, and also we have here hide all drawings. And then also we have here if one of the option of your more product. And the right will find other things. So we have the watch list. You have to select here symbol. We have symbol, then we have the last, then we have your change, and even how much in percent as well. As you can see, also we have here in the right other things. As you, for example, we have alerts, data window, if one object tree and data window, if one of my ideas, and then we have your shots, idea stream, notification, then we have screeners, calendars, and we have also here center. In the top right you will find here if you want to publish and share your idea with the trade community. Then we have here take a snapshot. Also we have full screen mode, chart settings, quick search, and also we have here a named layout setup. If you want, for example, this option or this option, we have various things. You can just get started right now by choosing the one you want. And top we have also here bar reply. If you want to create alert, if you want to hear indicator templates, indicators, metrics, and strategies, then we have also here candles. Also we have here one day, compare or add symbol as well. So we have how you can add. You can choose firstly if you want to specs, NDQ, and we have DGI. Also we have here EQX, and that's it for this one right now. So once you sign up for TradingView, you have just to start by exploring the main dashboard, where you will see a variety of charts and stock tickers as I did. Then you have to simply search for a stock or asset in the search bar, and the chart for the asset will appear. You can customize the chart with different indicators, time frames, and drawing tools to analyze trends. You can also follow other traders, join discussions, and even share your own insights. It's all super intuitive and great for both beginners and pros. So TradingView is a powerful yet user-friendly platform that makes tracking stocks, analyzing trends, and sharing trading ideas easy for everyone. Whether you are just starting or have experience, it provides all the tools you need to make smarter trading decisions. Right? So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.